Welcome to Star Plus. In this video, I will show you how to show Wi-Fi password using your phone. To do that, from your phone, go to Settings, press Connections, Wi-Fi, then press gear icon in front of connected Wi-Fi. At the bottom left, press QR code. This QR code can be scanned by other devices to connect to the Wi-Fi. But we want to view the Wi-Fi password. To do that, take screenshot. I'll swipe to take screenshot. You can also press volume button and power button to take the screenshot. Edit this QR code and crop it. Now search and go to any QR code scanner online. Upload QR code. And here shows the network name and password. So this is how you can show Wi-Fi password using your phone. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.